Yo, what up? New pickup in from Sole Supremacy. eBay auction. Got this for a very good price. These are region exclusive to Europe only, so didn't release in the USA. Got the 350 box. And these are the Trfrms. The Yeezy Trfrm. It's not open. Box is kind of dinged. Open it real quick. Box got a little dinged up. Here is the shoes, the Trfrms. Check it out. Straight fire, in my opinion. Basically like a sesame and a clay colorway. Clay right here. Sesames. Yeah. Still Adidas Yeezy inside. These are worn, but looks to be only worn a couple times. The Trfrms. You know how Yeezys go. Bottoms doesn't even look worn at all. Way better than paying for a new pair. Yeah, just got the little heel tab. The new ones now don't have heel tabs no more, so yeah, it's like the sesame and the clays. Newest pickup. Leave a comment what you guys think. They be tying this thing way too tight. Let some air for it to breathe, bro. But yeah, leave a comment if you guys are feeling these or not, because I think these are pretty nice. But yeah, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Got more videos coming in. I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.